Hi students, warm welcome to all of you to this concepts and snippets session. Today we are going to discuss about redox reactions. Okay, we are going to give you a highlight about redox reactions. You know, several chemical reactions involve transfer of electrons from one species to another. In such reactions, two reactions occur simultaneously. One, a reduction, and the other a complementary reaction called oxidation. That's why these two reactions together are called redox reactions. I repeat, chemical reactions which involve transfer of electrons from one species to another, in which two reactions occur simultaneously. One is reduction. It is the process of gaining of electron. Okay, and the other is the complementary of this process called oxidation. It is losing of electron. There are so many processes we come across in our day-to-day life. For example, rusting of iron, fading of color of textiles. Silver articles are getting tarnished. These are all redox reactions. Okay, burning of fuel, burning of wood. These are all redox reactions. Any process that involve reduction and oxidation are called redox reactions. And during this redox reactions, there is always energy changes which appear as light or heat or as electricity. In fact, our galvanic cells, the cells which are portable source of electrical energy. The electrical energy is obtained from a galvanic cell as a result of redox reactions. So, let us discuss the redox reactions. Okay, chemical reactions, chemical reactions which involve, okay, transfer of electrons, which involve transfer of electrons from one species to another, one species to another. Such reactions involve two complementary reactions. That means both are complementary to each other, like the two sides of a coin, head and tail. Without head, a coin has no meaning if it has only tail. So both makes a coin meaningful. So, which are two complementary reactions, okay, namely reduction and oxidation. So, redox reactions involve reduction and oxidation. Reduction is what? The process of gaining of electrons. The process of gaining of electrons is called reduction. The process of gaining of electrons is called reduction. And the process of losing of electrons, the process of losing of electrons is called oxidation. Remember, reduction alone will not occur without oxidation. For reduction to occur, there must be oxidation also, right? Remember, redox reactions are promising sources of energy. As I told you, the dry cell which we use in our watches, camera, calculator, all are sources of electrical energy as a result of redox reactions. Now, let us discuss the classical concept. There are two ways of defining redox reaction. One is what I have written, it is electronic concept. Reduction is gaining of electron. The other one is losing of electron. What about the classical concept? That is the old concept, classical concept of redox reactions. What is the classical concept of redox reactions? Okay, so let me write reduction on one column and oxidation on the other column. So, in the classical concept, reduction means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is reduction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen to a substance. It is oxidation. For example, when hydrogen is added to chlorine to form HCl, chlorine is reduced. In this reaction, chlorine is reduced or chlorine undergo reduction. Chlorine is reduced because chlorine add hydrogen. Here example, when oxygen is added to zinc to form zinc oxide, okay, zinc is oxidized or zinc undergo oxidation. The second one is just the reverse. What? Reduction is removal of oxygen. Here, oxidation is removal of hydrogen. So, this is the classical concept. Again, you have one more addition of electropositive element. Addition of electropositive element is reduction. For example, when sodium is added to chlorine to form sodium chloride, chlorine is reduced. Chlorine is reduced. Here, addition of electronegative element. Okay. For example, take fluorine, a highly electronegative element. When fluorine is added to magnesium to form magnesium fluoride, here magnesium is oxidized. I hope it is very clear. Classical concept. Addition of hydrogen is reduction, addition of oxygen is oxidation, or just the reverse. Removal of oxygen is reduction, removal of hydrogen is oxidation, or addition of electropositive element reduction, addition of electronegative element oxidation. Clear now? Yes. Now, let us do a simple problem. Define an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent. Not a problem, but just a theory-based question. Oxidizing agent is the substance which undergo reduction. Oxidizing agent is the substance which undergo reduction, which get reduced. Oxidizing agent, or it is sometimes called oxidant, is a substance which undergo reduction, or which get reduced, or which gets reduced, and reducing agent, or it is called reductant. Reductant is a substance which undergo oxidation. Clear now? Which undergo oxidation. How we will know that reduction? The substance gains electron. How will you know it undergo oxidation? It loses electron. So, electronic concept is much more easy. Okay. So, we have classical concept, also electronic concept. We will be discussing more and more details about redox reactions in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Thank you.